How to get Midnight Blade in Blox Fruits. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about getting the Midnight Blade in Blox Fruits. So the first thing you need to have is you need to be the level 1000 or higher to access the cursed ship in the second sea. So go to the cursed ship near the graveyard island in the second sea, and eel admin is in one of the bedrooms on the first floor. So how you can purchase it? It costs 100 ectoplasm. You can get the ectoplasm by defeating the ghost and cursed enemies on the cursed ship, and ghost, shark, or haunted crew is for 4 to 5 ectoplasm each. And for cursed captain, you need to have 10 ectoplasm each. And for ship deck land or engineer and etc., you must have 1 ectoplasm each. So you also need to reach 1000 plus and collect around 100 ectoplasm, and go to the second sea and find the cursed ship. Find the EL admin inside one of the bedrooms on the first floor. Buy the midnight blade from him for 100 ectoplasm, and you can upgrade the midnight blade at the blacksmith using 40 ectoplasm and 15 scrap metal. This increases the damage by about 13% moveset. So you can press Jet for opening the portal. It creates a portal that pulls and damages enemies, and by pressing X, a dash attack with an area of effect AoE explosion takes place. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.